Hello there, beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephany. For today's video, I wanted to do this one a little bit more informal. I wanted to do a makeup declutter. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter my makeup because I have bought quite a few makeup, and you guys will see in hauls coming up. So I have all of my new makeup here. I have some of it up here. I need to clean this up, but I do need to make room in my drawer here to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to clean that out. I also have to clean out my lipsticks here, so I have to clean that out, make room for all of this stuff here. So let's get into this video and get started. So I'm actually going to be doing this drawer last because it has a whole bunch of skincare and just random miscellaneous things. So I'm going to do this last. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up.
Do anything to be in your arms again.
So I'm actually going to get started in this drawer first. So this is like blushes, highlighters, bronzers, all that stuff, illuminators. So I'm going to go ahead, start looking through this and get rid of it. I'm trying to get rid of a lot of it because I do have a lot of bronzers and a few blushes that I did buy and I want to add in here. So let's see what we can do.
So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah. Give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign.
Okay, so I actually just cleaned out this top drawer, but this drawer, I'm going to go ahead and take out some of these containers to put in here. So I am going to declutter this drawer as well. Don't know if it's going to be today, because this might be like a 2-day sort of declutter. So I don't know, but I do want to use some of these containers up over here. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and then I'm just going to put everything else in here. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick overview to show you guys that it was somewhat organized. Not really, but there it is.
So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces.
Okay, so here we have the after. So I have blushes and bronzers. So there's that there. And then I have more blushes, highlighters. And then I have my luminizers, I guess you can say, back here. I don't have room for my Marc Jacobs bronzer, so I don't know how that's gonna go exactly. I mean, maybe I can, I don't know where to, maybe I'll just put this up in the everyday drawer, but I wanted that to be more of my skincare, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, so here's what this one looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and start decluttering some things here. Okay, so here I have some foundations. I have my Bare Minerals foundations. I have this Tatcha Silk canvas that I need to use up. I should probably start using that, finish that up. I have some ColourPops and Fenty Beauty. I have a brand new Tarte in medium. I have this Smashbox that I wanted to try, this little sample. This expires 1/21, so this is expired. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this, but this stuff is really good. This is the Derma E Essentials. This is a sun protection powder. So I used to use it when I went to Disneyland a lot, and I was actually supposed to use it up, but then, you know, Disneyland shut down and stuff, so I never got to finish this, which sucks, but it's okay. So I have this, whoa, I have this I have this julep cushion complexion. I kind of really like this, so I should probably use that a little more. I think I'm going to declutter this Joa Yours Truly Full Cover Concealer. I don't know if I should try it out. Actually, I'm going to try this out before I declutter it because I haven't used it. Let me see. I have some eye stuff, lip stuff, primerizer that I need to use up. Brand new Dr. Brandt that my sister gave me. Not cruelty free though. I think I'm gonna declutter this. Oh, but it's so cute. Oh, it's not dried out either. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this because I really do like the little kitty on this. This is the Sex Kitten by Tarte. So I'm gonna keep that just for the packaging, honestly. This is an eye luster by Ciate London. I'm gonna get rid of this because I don't use it. And I'm probably not going to. I have all of these Naked Cosmetics shimmers. So I don't know if I should get rid of this or keep it. All my dogs are like here. I don't know if you can hear them. I don't know if you guys can hear them. They're like all over the place. So don't know if I'm going to keep these. I don't think I am. I'm going to go ahead and declutter these. I don't think I'm going to use them.
We've been to places all at once. We said we'll come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off.
So I also have all of this stuff here. I have this Aquasurance color. This is in medium beige. I'm going to keep this because when I am tan, I'm pretty sure this is going to fit me. I also have these e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer and Poreless Putty Primer. I'm going to be keeping those because I need to use those. I am going to be decluttering this Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. It's really good, but it's old, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. And then I do have some Chanel makeup, and this is just something that I keep for memorabilia, and I really, really love. So that is going to stay there. And then I do have some other primers. I have this, the Professional, which I'm going to give to my friend. That's why I still have it here. And then I also have this Makeup Obsession Picture Perfect Pore Blushing Primer, which I'm also keeping. I have another Lorac behind the scenes. I didn't even catch this, but this is here as well. And then I have some prismatic eyeshadows. So we have that there. I also have this little Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I also have these glittery Obsessed body glitters. So we have Body Glitter by Sailor Moon.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do?
Okay, so here are my palettes. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, sort through them, and I'm going to put my bigger palettes in this container here to put it underneath my drawer over there, shelf system, because they're not fitting in here, and I want to keep this a little bit more organized. So This is what everything's looking like though. This is the top drawer. This is my primers, my concealers. Ooh, that goes over here actually. That probably slipped. My concealers and my foundations are here. I have my powder foundations, primers. These are my concealers. I have a whole bunch of them, and then this tool here. So that's what that's looking like. I feel like I need to organize this again because I'm finding a lot of blushes and they're not fitting.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright. So let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. 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 Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you. It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright. So let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive in.
Okay, so here's some eyeshadow palettes that I kind of fixed up. Here are the setting mists. Here are some more eyeshadow palettes, mostly my more popular ones. Eyelashes in the back.
So I'm gonna dive into you.
I have all of my lip products in this corner here. Didn't declutter anything from here. I'll save that for another time because I pretty recently went through decluttering this. Hey guys, that is it for this video. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumb up. If you guys enjoyed me, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join my channel where we do this type of stuff pretty frequently. So I hope I do get to see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful person.
I swear you're